Getting started with some breaking news coming in the Hathras case. Yogi government has filed an FIR, conspiracy angle to be investigated. A big update in the case. Remember, it was Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath who himself recommended a CBI probe in the case. And now an update coming in. Yogi government has filed an FIR. Abhishek Kapoor, our executive editor, is also with us. A big update coming in on this case. Abhishek, tell us more.
Well, yes, this is a significant development, Christine, that the Yogi government, based on some inputs, has filed this FIR in Lucknow, which is under various sections of the IPC, which cover conspiracy, which cover intention to incite violence, communal violence, Section 153A, 153B, and of course, Information Technology Act, Section 66. So essentially, what the Yogi government suspects is that in the Hathras case, using this as an opportunity, some elements associated with this activism are trying to politicize, not just politicize, but incite violence also. And that is the reason why this FIR had to be registered. I believe there are some inputs and intercepts based on which the investigation would be carried out. There are some audio tapes and which clearly bring out an element of not just inciting the family, but inciting some communities in that neighborhood, in the village and in the vicinity to keep the situation on the boil. So I believe that's the reason why this FIR has been filed overnight and investigation started under various sections of both the IPC and the Information Technology Act.
All right. Many thanks, Abhishek, for that update. An FIR has been registered by Uttar Pradesh government in criminal conspiracy that was in fact taking place to incite violence using the Hathras case. That is what the Yogi government is alleging. Conspiracy angle to be probed. Remember how several audio tapes have come to light. And all of those tapes that we've been putting out. Abhishek, we've been putting out several tapes, not just exposing how there's so much more than what meets the eye, but also how political parties are now seeing an opportunity in this. They're using the entire case to gain some sort of a political opportunity, and that's exactly what we are speaking against since so many days now. That's something that must not be done. An investigation must take place. Yogi government has pressed for a CBI probe as well, but politics definitely must not take place, and several of those audio tapes will now be looked at very, very carefully. We'll go across to Abhishek in a bit, but Yogi government has filed an FIR in the case. The conspiracy angle now will be looked at as far as the Hathras case is concerned. Big update, because several audio tapes that are under scanner. In fact, remember, there is an audio tape of a TV journalist. That's what the speculation is, that the audio tape is of a TV journalist having a conversation with one of the family members of the Hathras victim. And all of those audio tapes that will now be looked at, because it does look like when you listen to those audio tapes that there was, in a sense, an attempt to incite violence that was being made to, in fact, ask the family members of the Hathras gang rape victim to speak of an alleged pressure that is being put on them, how they should not settle for 25 lakh amount as ex gratia. So several of those claims that were made. As we speak, also on your television screens, visuals of Samajwadi Party workers in the village, wherein they are also staging a protest. Remember, over the past few days, what the focus should have been was on the incident that took place, the investigations that followed, but unfortunately, several political parties have been taking undue advantage of this particular case. They've been staging protests, but they have only been staging protests with an intent to attack the Uttar Pradesh government and not really demand speedy justice in the case, and that's what's most unfortunate.